We present orbit space particle flow matching, taking a Lagrangian view of particle generation. Traditional flow matching and its variants instead take an Eulerian view, in which the particle system is treated as a high-dimensional vector and can be mapped to different permutations. In contrast, our method gives each particle with a unique index a learnable embedding and projects the data end of the probability path onto a canonical section of the orbit space, so that each particle has a stable semantic role during training. We now use a simple example, minimal surface, to demonstrate our method's effectiveness. Across varying anchor configurations, our method generates high-quality minimal surface boundary particles in just 3 ODE steps, enabled by the straight flow it learns. With the anchor number fixed, our method achieves high-quality results in just 1 ODE step, while existing baselines fail. Even with 10 steps, competing methods improve but still fall short of our results. We also report quantitative results across inference steps on 3 evaluation metrics and visualize the per-particle velocity fields used for training, revealing that our velocity fields are much simpler. Next, we compare blue noise generation with strong baselines. With the same parameter count, our method produces higher quality blue noise point sets, and a larger variant performs even better. Here we visualize spectral properties, showing that our method outperforms others, with the larger model nearly identical to ground truth. We show blue noise face generation, where our method produces high-fidelity blue noise renderings of faces. We show a generated diffusion-limited aggregation process in XYT, where particles are ordered and visualized according to their aggregation time. We first show 10-step generation comparison, followed by 200-step generation results. We evaluate using the fractal dimension computed via the gyration method. We render our generated DLA process as the growth of a bacterial colony in a petri dish. Next, we show multi-layer Thomson problem generation, where our method generates electron configurations that are highly consistent with the dataset samples. We evaluate using spatial uniformity and the average residual Coulomb forces. Here we show the qualitative comparison results. We then show 3D generation results. We first show shape generation with only 40 inference steps, where other methods fail to produce satisfactory results. We additionally show shape generation results for our method with 200 inference steps. We now illustrate our second main contribution, geometric probability paths. Prior work typically takes the linear path between the endpoints as an incidental choice, leaving the terminal velocity as an unused degree of freedom. Instead, we construct Hermit-type probability paths that let the terminal velocity encode useful per-particle attributes, such as surface normals. With our geometric probability paths, surface normals can be accurately generated without 6D position normal generation. In contrast, PCA estimated normals fail on thin structures like wings and tail fins. Our orbit space geometric probability paths can be naturally used for single shape encoding. Complex meshes can be reconstructed from the point clouds and normals produced by our method. Here, particle colors visualize the normals. Our results exceed those of 3D generation baselines and are on par with explicit 6D position normal generation. Here we show the Stanford bunny, whose surface is carved into a Voronoi cell structure. We show that using arc length terminal velocity is beneficial